out on a fowl. What's
That noise? What's that sound? Who's that creeping all around?
It's only me, a black cat. That owl almost got me. I don't like that.
What's that noise? What's that sound? Who's that creeping all around?
I'm the wolf. And I howl at the moon. I'm going to catch the cat very soon.
What's that noise? What's that sound? Who's that creeping all around?
Peace with my tears and have no fear. I only come for the cat that's near.
Who are you?
If you must know, I'm a witcher.
What's that sound? Who's that creeping all around?
Sign when I broke my toe.
Since when do ghosts have toes?
Good point. Sign when you wolves talk. Good point. Ow, 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 ow.
What's that noise? What's that sound? Who's that creeping all around?
Hello, Pooh. I've got a bone to pick with you.
Who, us?
Make no bones about it. I'm glum. I've got a pain in my cranium.
Why? What's the matter? What did we do?
You left me behind tying my shoe.
Oh, the whole. What happened next?
I hit a tree branch with my head. Now I've vexed.
The six dark shadows slipped up to the door.
Oh, I get it. It was the owl, the cat, the wolf, the ghost, the witch, and the skeleton.
Aw, are you sure there weren't any talking pumpkins?
Has anyone else noticed that there are talking animals in the story and everyone talks in rhyme? What's up with that? Ring the bell, my dear. Finally we're here.
Ding dong. Happy Halloween. Let's get the party started.